The wildlife loop in Custer State Park.
Well, that's pretty cool. Oh, look at little babies.
Welcome back to my series of short videos on the rides around Sturgis, South Dakota.
Yeah, don't get close to bison. They're dangerous. Where the hell am I supposed to go?
Situated southwest of Rapid City, which is southeast of Sturgis, the Wildlife Loop Road is a natural extension to a visit to Mount Rushmore and a ride along the Iron Mountain Road. It's a natural fit in a loop that includes the Needles Highway. The 18-mile Wildlife Loop Road loops around Custer State Park. It joins up with Highway number 87 heading north back towards Highway 16A. When you've crossed Highway 16A heading north, Highway 87 becomes the Needles Highway.
Hi guys. Hello. Hello.
And the Needles Highway is absolutely spectacular.
Yep, don't get close to the bar.
Truth be told, Needles Highway is one of, if not my favorite, rides in the area. But more on the Needles Highway in its own video.
Well, that was worth $10 to get in to see.
In my riding journal, I had this to say about the Wildlife Loop. And I quote, $10 to drive Custer State Park in the Wildlife Loop. Oh my, the road was narrow, winding, with rolling hills, rolling forests, bison walking on both sides of the motorcycle. One herd was over 150 animals. The park ranger said so, with mums and babies. So very cool. Burros, deer, domestic horses. Antelope, mountain goats, elk, coyotes, bighorn sheep, birds, wild turkeys, and prairie dogs. I could have seen all of those. This was well worth the price of admission. Absolutely, for sure. Yes, the road was narrow, busy, and slow, but the surface was excellent and the sights were absolutely wonderful.
Oh, there's some donkeys. Not every day you see a donkey. Yeah, a whole herd of lazy donkeys. Hello. Hello. Well, there you go. The white one. Hello, everybody. Hello. Okay, so holy fuck, few buffaloes. Holy shit, ain't that fucking cool? A whole shitload of them.